we'll start with the final set for Psychology paper 3 January 2017. We'll be discussing questions 51 to 75. Now the first question, the influence of the surrounding environment on perception is known as the context effect, and that is what is the definition for the context effect. So the correct answer here would be 4. Next question. Now Hull proposed that reaction potential is a product of the strength, the habit strength and the drive. So what he tried to explain, when he tried to explain this, he used the hypodeductive model, which was testable based on the consequences that were received, and finally he based on this study he tried to explain the rate of eyelid conditioning in relation to the drive. So both assertion and reason is correct, and reason correctly explains the assertion. Next question. Long-term potentiation means facilitation of synaptic transmission following a high frequency stimulation which is applied to presynaptic neuron. Now the case study that was done on this was on a rat, and the rat was given a high electricity the high frequency electric stimulation, and when the curves were read under a control group and an experiment group, the variation after the potential and before the potential were measured, and there was a significant difference in case of high frequency electrical stimulation which was given. So you have 1 as the correct answer for this question. Next question. Which of the following is not a method of mnemonic device? Mnemonic device means a method to remember, or a method that helps you learn the concepts much quicker and retain it for a longer time. So method of loci, categorical clustering and peg words are all examples of mnemonic devices. We'll cover this in detail when we'll talk about the chapter on memory. Now next question is, second order factors can be obtained from Promax rotated first order factors, and Promax rotation is a method of oblique rotation. Now there are two methods of rotation, one which allows the correlation and other which does not allow the correlation. The one which allows the correlation is known as oblique method, and the another one is known as the orthogonal method. Example of oblique method is Promax rotation. On the other hand, you have examples of orthogonal rotation which are mainly Verimax rotation. You have the Equimax rotation. Now Promax is a oblique rotation, it's correct, and since it's a oblique rotation, you are allowed to calculate the correlations. You can find out the second order factors from the rotated first order factors. So reason is the correct explanation for assertion. So you have 1 as the correct answer here. Next question. Now in an experiment, the product of the reverse of the number was much quicker, was calculated in 5 seconds, and the other group was asked to calculate the other way round, the same multiplication set in the other way round, and it was seen that the first group brought about a larger estimate as compared to the second group. This biasness is because of the adjustment, and this experiment was basically trying to explain if you have higher numbers in the initial set, you would have a kind of a larger estimate as compared to if you have the flow that starts with a lower number. Now next, this question, none of the codes are correct. So the correct matches would be, thinking is an activity that involves manipulation of mental representation of various factors of the internal world. So you have the correct match here. Then reasoning is a mental ability by which we can transform the information to reach to a specific conclusion. Definitely for decision making you have to work around 2 or more alternatives and find out a correct answer, and for problem solving you have process information that moves on and helps you to reach to a specific goal. So you have the correct matches here, which are 4, 3, 1 and 2. So this should be the correct match here. Next question. In general, members of joint family tend to be low on stress as compared to nuclear family. This is because social support increases the stress response. So when you have a good social support, you are able to cope up with the stress situations in a better way, and therefore family members from joint family have lesser stress as compared to nuclear families. So you have both the explanations as correct and reason explaining the assertion correctly. One would be the correct answer here. Next question. Roger used the Q-sort technique to identify the concept of real self and the ideal self, and he tried to do a kind of self-assessment of the personality. So that was what was the basic idea of the Carl Roger's model. Now next question. Which of the following are the characteristics of nomothetic approach to personality? Nomothetic, the word itself means law making. So it's general laws of the personality that you are talking about, the group norms and the interpretation of the test scores. Emphasis of variations in the person is incorrect. So you have B, C and D as the correct option here. So 2 would be the correct answer. Next question. Sensory specific satiety refers to takes place in, the correct answer is insula. Now what is this concept? This concept says that if you are given the same bread every day, you won't be able to eat it, or you might not like to eat it. So our body automatically decides or changes its taste from morning to evening and one day to next day, and that is because of our body's requirement for various nutrients. And that is what is known as the sensory specific satiety, and that basically takes place in insula. Then you have amygdala and the orbitofrontal cortex. So 3 of these and the orbitofrontal cortex. So 3 of these are basically responsible for the appetite network in our body. So 4 would be the correct answer in this case. Next question. Now this question talks about multiple correlation of academic achievement with 3 variables, and that was found to be 0.6. So the variance is the square of the correlation determined. So you have 0.6 square, that would be 36. So all the 3 predictors together would explain 36% of the variance. That's correct. And none of these predictors would correlate more than 0.6 with the academic variance, because the final sum of the variance for all 3 variables would come to be 36. So all these would be definitely less than or equal to the given value. So you have A and B as the correct answer. So 2 would be the correct answer here. Next question. Now when we talk about schemas of personality, there are various kind of schemas. You have the role schema, what kind of role you are playing. So might be in a formal place you are a teacher, but at home you are a family member. So you have different roles that you play in different parts. Then you have the schema that determines the event, and finally the person schema. So you have 3 kinds of schema that are determined here. The person schema, role schema and the event schema, and the next is content schema, that's not given here. So group would be the incorrect. So you have A, C and D as the correct options here. Next question. You have to match the concept with the given values. So you have the Bobo doll experiment that was given by Bandura, which talked about observational learning. The visual cliff experiment, where an infant was given an experiment and it was the experiment on depth perception. Then you have the strange situation test. This strange situation test talks about the attainment of an individual, and finally you have the Hen's dilemma that talks about the modifications of Kohlberg's theory and the morality principles. So these are the correct matches. So it would be 3, 4, 1 and 2 as the correct match. So 3, 4, 1 and 2, you have 3 as the correct answer here. Next question. According to Vygotsky, human thinking and reasoning are products of social activity, and every cognitive processes appears first on social plane, then on the psychological plane after internalization. So that's correct. So you have movement from social to psychological, and that is known as internalization, and again Human thinking and reasoning are products of social activity. That's correct. So you have reason that correctly explains the assertion. Next question. The effective way for dealing with bullying in the school is to provide counseling to the students who are potential bullies and communicate them that such behavior will not be tolerated. So 2 would be the correct answer here. Now you have to match the various definitions with the correct set. So you have the definitions, that the programs and the plans which have a kind of direct definitions that are given. So you have variable pay, where the portion of pay is based on the measure of the performance, the piece rate, where workers are paid a fixed sum for each unit of production, profit sharing, where compensation is distributed on certain formula, and finally gain sharing, that is based on an incentive formula. So these are the correct matches. Next question. The Macleod's theory talks about 3 needs, that is the need for the NR, NF, the need for achievement, affiliation and power, and Maslow's hierarchy talks about the 5 needs, the physiological needs, the safety, love, esteem and self-esteem needs. So those are the 5 needs that it talk about. So 3 and 5 would be the correct answer here. Next question. Most of the Down syndrome cases can be determined through the technique of amniosynthesis. In amniosynthesis, you have fluid that is taken out, and this procedure reveals that the fetus does not have any defect and the parents are spared from months of anxiety. So that correctly explains this. So both are correct and reason is a correct explanation. 1 would be the correct answer here. Now this is a concept that is given about a person who is very who is a manager, but he likes admiration and excessive attention. He is very arrogant and he is preoccupied with his own fantasies, and this is known as the narcissistic personality disorder. So that's the basic characteristic of a narcissistic personality disorder. Next, you have a passage based on which you have certain questions given. Again, this time the paper 3 passage was based on attitude scales. So attitude scales are an important section for the upcoming exam as well. Now, the scale values of the attitude statement obtained through the law of comparative judgment for Thurston would yield the interval scale. So Thurston scale was based on the LCG, that is the law of comparative judgment was based on interval scale. Next, the method of paired comparison is not suitable for scaling large number of attitude statements because every statement is paired with every other statement, and therefore it cannot be used for a huge set of data or a huge number of statements. So you have reason as the correct explanation for assertion. So 1 would be the correct answer. Next, now this is a direct question. The equal appearing intervals is computed by the median and the interquartile range, that is the difference between the Q3 and the Q1, the 75th and the 25th percentile. So median would be the correct answer here. Next, now this is a question that talks about factor analysis use, and the correct answer here would be the summated rating, because paired comparison and the successive intervals are rank order, where you do not technically use factor analysis, the traditional concepts do not use so, and the equal appearing gives, it's a kind of dichotomous scale which gives answer either in yes or no. So there is no continuum that is maintained. However, in summated rating, the Likkert's method, you have a continuum that is maintained, and when the item is 5, 6 or more, it is easier to understand the continuity, and therefore we use factor analysis in summated ratings. And finally, when you have an outgroup, you try to use bipolar adjective scales, and this are used in Osgood semantic differential. So Osgood semantic differential evaluates on 3 parameters, that is the EPA, evaluation, potency and the activity. Based on these, you have the bipolar scale that is judged, and Osgood semantic is a classic example for this. So the correct answer would be 2. With this we covered the psychology papers. We will be covering more lectures on psychology in the upcoming classes. Have a good day ahead.